Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to mute notifications for an announcement group in your WhatsApp community for 1 week. This feature is perfect for when you need a break from constant updates or want to focus without interruptions. Let's dive right in. First, open your WhatsApp app on your smartphone. You'll see the familiar green icon on your home screen. Tap it to launch the application. Once WhatsApp is open, look at the bottom of your screen. You'll notice a new tab called Communities. This is where all your WhatsApp communities are located. Go ahead and tap on this tab. Now, you'll see a list of all the communities you're a part of. Find the specific community that contains the announcement group you want to mute. Tap on it to open the community. Inside the community, you'll see the announcement group at the top. This is where admins share important updates with all members. To mute it, we're going to use a simple gesture. Long press on the announcement group. Don't just tap it quickly. Keep your finger on it for a second or two. A menu will pop up with several options. Look for Mute Notifications and tap on it. You'll then see a list of duration options for muting. We want to choose the 1 week option. Tap on that and you're all set. That's it. You've successfully muted the announcement group for 1 week. You'll still be able to see messages when you open the group, but you won't receive any notifications for the next 7 days. Remember, you can always unmute the group before the week is up if you change your mind. Just follow the same steps and select Unmute Notifications instead. We hope this tutorial has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.